from Trix. Trix are for kids, silly rabbit. You can't eat this cereal. All right. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a point right here, and we're gonna start with some bunny rabbit ears. We are just like this. There we go. And then we're gonna bring that ear back around like this. Looking nice. Now let's do another ear over here like this. And we'll have it flopping down like that a bit. There we go. Just like that. And we won't continue that quite yet, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the Trix Rabbit's eyes here now. We're gonna do one eye here, just like that. And then we're gonna draw another eye right next to it. There you go, just like that. And we're gonna make his eyes down as if they're looking down, like that and that. And we'll give it a little bit of highlight here, like there and there. And then we can color his eyes, right like that. There we go. Looking nice. And let's not forget his nose now. He's got a bit of a beautiful rabbit nose, just like this. Almost like a triangle. And there's his lips. And his big mouth will be coming up like this. And the other side of his mouth like this. And then we're going to give him a bit of a happy-go-lucky mouth like that. Give it a bit of a flat bottom there like that. And then his tongue can come like this. Looking good. Let's give him some fun cheeks like that. All right, looking nice. Trix has got some eyebrows up here like this. Maybe one up, one down. Just like that. Hopefully he is. Hopeful that he's going to get that wonderful cereal. All right, now we're going to come up with the ear here. We're going to start coming down like that. But before we do that, we're going to bring this down. And his face right about here. Just like that. All right. And then we'll start from the eye here, there, like that. And we'll come out. And we're going to bring this in. Just like that. Alrighty. Now we can meet up this ear. I wasn't too sure if that was going to go behind his cheek or not, but we'll leave it like that. This is looking nice. Alrighty. Now the Trix Rabbit, let's say here, he's got some. Bring his arms like this. There we go. Bring him right around like that. We'll do the same over here. Bring this arm around here like this and like that. And we'll meet his hands up as if he's clasping them together in hopes of getting his cereal. There we go. One like this. The other arm coming in like this. Up around like that. Meet them up. Draw some fingers in for fun. Just like this. Then a bit of a thumb there like that. And around like that. Alrighty. Looking nice. Okay, and here's his body. Right about here. Bit of a tummy on him. Just like that. And we'll give him some fun rabbit legs. Dancing he is. Dancing in hope. All right, and then we'll bring the back of his legs in here like this. Very nice. 1, 2, 3 for the rabbit. The rabbit feet. 1, 2, 3. And bring that leg back on up here like this. Very nice. I'll join the toe up and his bottom bits. And now all we gotta do is the tail. There we are. Just like that. Sweet. It's Trix. From Trix for Kids. The fruity cereal. All right. Let's get to the color. Trix Rabbit has black eyes, pink nose and tongue. Thanks, everyone.